Here at Lake Darling Resort, our villas are continuously undergoing maintenance and thoughtful improvements to keep everything in top shape. Each year, we temporarily close every unit for a full week, so our team can focus entirely on care, upkeep, and upgrades. That work includes everything from painting and refinishing tables to the small details that are easy to miss, like dusting vents and cleaning high corners that require a ladder. We believe those little things matter just as much as the big ones. We take pride in keeping our homes as clean, comfortable, and well cared for. Our 2025 Echo Press Award for Best Resort is something we are incredibly proud of, and we have no doubt that our commitment to cleanliness played a big role in earning that recognition. If you're looking for a clean, well-maintained place to stay in Alexandria, Minnesota, Lake Darling Resort is the place. We look forward to welcoming you and your family soon. At Lake Darling Resort, taking care of our villas is part of who we are. Throughout the year, every unit receives regular attention, maintenance, and upgrades. Once a year, we take it a step further by closing each villa for a dedicated week so our team can focus on detailed care without shortcuts or distractions. That time is spent on everything from refreshing paint and refinishing furniture to tackling the small, often unseen details like vents, trim, and hard-to-reach spaces. The goal is simple. On a UIE, when you walk through the door, everything feels clean, comfortable, and ready for you. We believe a great lake stay starts with a place that feels cared for. Our 2025 Echo Press Award for Best Resort reflects that commitment, especially when it comes to cleanliness and upkeep. If you're looking for a place to stay in Alexandria, Minnesota, where quality and cleanliness truly matter, we would love to welcome you to Lake Darling Resort. Your lake getaway should feel easy from the moment you arrive.